Hello viewers, I'm Yusuf from 5 Minutes Information channel. I once again welcome you all. This is episode number 72. This is a part number 4 of lecture series of library and its type, and in this video I will talk about the public library. Viewer guidance notes of this video lecture available on the link of this video description. In this video clip I will talk about the 5 main points about the public library. Number 1, what is a public library? Number 2, what are the different types of public library? Number 3, what are the characteristics of public library? Number 4, what are the services provided by a public library? And number 5, what are the important organization of public library? Point number 1. What is a public library? Public library provide access to knowledge, information, and works of imagination through a range of resources and services, and is equally available to all members of the community regardless of the race, nationality, age, gender, religion, language, disability, economic condition, and employment status, and educational attainment. A public library is an organization established, support, and funded by the community either through local, regional, provincial, or national government. Point number 2. What are the different types of public library? There are two important types of public library. Number 1, community library. Community library is also type of a public library. Community libraries serve to the specific community. They live in a specific area. For example, fishermen community lives near the coastal area. Any small library served to that community is known as a community library. Number 2, mobile library. Mobile library is also type of a public library. Serves the remote area. Mobile library is a vehicle designed for the use as a library. It is designed to hold the books on shelf in such a way that when vehicle is parked, they can access by the reader. Mobile library are often used to provide services to the village and remote city suburbs. Point number 3, what are the main characteristics of public library? There are 5 main characteristics of a public library. Number 1, public library are open for all and every community member can access to the collection. Number 2, public library are governed by a board to serve the public interest. Number 3, public library are entirely voluntary in that no one is ever forced to use the services provided. Number 4, public library provide basic services without any charges. Number 5, public library are generally supported by the public funds like taxes. Point number 4, what are the core function of a public library? Number 1, education and information. Public library provide both individual and self-conducted informal education as well as formal education at all levels. Information of the public library is the local center of information, making all kinds of knowledge and information readily available to its user. Number 2, personal development. Public library provides opportunities for the personal creative development of the individual. Number 3, reading habits. Public library also play a very important role to develop the reading habits of the individual, community, and society. Number 4, cultural development. An important role of the public library is provide and focus for the culture and artistic development in the community and helping to shape and support the culture identity of the community. Number 5, social need of the public. Public library also support in developing policy to fulfill the role and purpose of the social need of the community and provide services according to the community social needs. Point number 4, what are the basic services provided by a public library? There are 6 core services provided by a public library. Number 1, reading hall facilities. Public library provides reading hall facilities to its user, where library patrons stay and read the library material as per their reading habits. Number 2, book borrowing facilities. Public library also provide the book borrowing facilities to its library user. Number 3, internet access to library user. To provide online access to e-content, public libraries have internet and Wi-Fi facilities, and public libraries have also a small internet cafe or computer room. Number 4, document delivery service. Public library also provide document delivery service to its user. Articles and essay and other reading stuff supplied to the community and library user. Number 5, reference services. Reference services is also provided to the public library user, where reference libraries support and assistant to the library user and their day-to-day query. Number 6, event organization. Public library also organize events for their respective user. For kids, libraries organize storytelling sessions, book launching, seminars, and other events as per the need and demand of their respective library users. Point number 5, what are the important organizations of public library? There are 2 important organizations in the context of public library. Number 1, Public Library Association. The Public Library Association is the largest association decided to support the unique and evolving needs of the public library professional. PLA is a division of ALA, American Library Association, founded in 1944. PLA served nearly about 10,000 members. For further information, you may visit the URL link mentioned below. Number 2, IFLA Public Library Section. This section provides an active international forum for the development and promotion of public libraries, which serve the whole community in the context of information society, ensure free and equal access to information at local level. You may visit the mentioned below URL link. Here I ended the episode number 72. I hope, viewer, you understand what is a public library, its type, characteristics, function, services, and important organization. In next episode, I will talk about the part 5, and topic will be the National Library. Stay tuned with 5 Minutes Information channel. Please comment on this video if it is informative. Share and like. Thanks for watching.